Now what I need to do is actually to prepare this section. I need to sand. I re-glue some stuff, so I need to sand, fix, and now to work on that section there before everything go in. And put the that you can pull handle actually, or yeah. So that's what I need to install in each of them. Yeah. Yeah, and that will be special job.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too.
Okay. Hello, good morning everybody. It's a beautiful morning outside, sunny, not too warm, gorgeous day. So today I have a plan to finish to start building a table for navigation there, okay? And that will be, so the table box will be the led for the fridge, and the middle section of the table will be possible to open for table space, and when you raise everything will be for the using a fridge. So that's idea. I don't have any drawings, anything, so I'm just doing with the flow and trying to figure out how that will work for me and what to do. Okay, yeah, let's do it now, and we will see, you know, give it a try. Okay, I just finished cutting. A lot of dust here. Look at this, look at the floor, look at the steps. Look at the steps. Huh? No, actually I feel like this. Yeah. That will be fun. Like, the next one is like oh. That's funny. So okay, I just cut the plywood here, so that's a section for the bottom. That's a section for the bottom. And now what I notice is when I'm raising this, you see how close is to actually hit the edge. It's really close because I push everything on a side. Now I will need a gap here, a quarter, and I want a quarter here a gap, so that means that I need to cut this board for the 1/2 inch more. Okay, cut for 1/2 inch more, and then yeah, and then see the next step. Okay, what I figure out now, if I put the sides on the top, okay, so that means that if this is a top side, if I put something like this on the top, these doors they will hit if I put like this. But if I put on a side, it doesn't hit, and it can really nicely sit actually on a table if you need to work on electrical. And the space for a table, I think that's enough, you know, for some small things. I will go with this. Yeah. See you next step. Okay, what I did Now I'm trying, so I cut all these sections here. Okay, so I cut that, and now I'm trying to figure out, I will put something here, like 3-inch wood here and 3-inch wood here, or 2-inch. I need to figure out this really good. And then I need to build the top door. Top door I need to build. So now I'm actually debating about dropping this on a side of the wood and then have that lower, and over that put that boards so that everything is flush. But look, I'm okay with this now. I'm just going to chill out a little bit, like 10-15 minutes, and then try to figure out this. See you later. Okay, let's see what I did. So this is what I built here. Now the middle section will have a flash with a surface, black vinyl openings. That's what will be here in this opening. So that will be black vinyl, and just that I could put the finger and raise it, or maybe I find something else, but I think I will have some ring here that I could just put the finger and grab it and raise it up, like tap. I don't know, I need to figure out that. So this is what's happening here. This is full thick, this is full thick, and this is full thick. It needs to be sanded, so I can't sand today, but when I raise, that's the finish. That's the finish. Okay? So when I raise this, so that needs to be like this. Okay? So also what I need to figure out, this, like a hinge here, hinge there, and yeah, I'm very much satisfied. It's not done yet, but we're coming really close to finish it. Good. So I try to find the middle section for all of them and to look on the side how it looks. Is it straight? Is it this? Is it that? And it still could be bad fit, but what you can do, you can't do nothing. You can just try to make it the best that you can make it. That's it. Now I'm trying to fit this. Look at that. That's good. Let's cut this. You know, if you're rushing, if you're tired and you start rushing, you will make a mistake. If you don't feel good, better don't do. When you see that you have something like that is like detailing work, better leave it for another day. Don't rush. Because every time you try to make the to skip something and make it shorter or faster, it will catch you, believe me. It's the third one. And you can see here a little bit chip. I didn't use the proper knife. So I bought this set from Bosch. And pretty much this set is like what is left. But it helped me a lot on a boat, man. This is a really nice set, so I could recommend anybody, you know, like it's really good stuff. And so what I did now, I change. I put this one now, and it say extra. I don't know, can it zoom? Say extra clean, like extra clean. So I have a two different knives on a one, and it's really cutting clean line. You can see that it's really cutting clean line, so that's kind of helping, you know. I bought these long time ago for a hunter that we have, and then I don't know, I bought more than I need. We find online some good deal before, and so, and now I have them. And I like them, you know, it's thick, it's looking clean, nice. So I'm using this one, you see, and it came like, you know, like it's cutting really nice. So what I will do, for now I'm just fitting. Later I will just remove a little bit, put the glue, and put the dust from sanding, like really super fine, thick dust, and then I will fill everything and then just squish it and clean. And that's it. That will be nice. Nice. Cool. I'm happy for today. This is a good day. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's life. That's life. Bravo to me. Bravo to you to watching this. And why you didn't tell me I flipped this on the wrong side? Okay, okay. I just saw on the camera how I'm making video, like something's wrong there. Okay, I'm happy, man. Oh. Now I could say I have a good day on a boat. I did something that is visible. You know, it's always I'm doing something that is not visible. You know. Have a good day.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you. 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you